Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you a product research method that have found me a product that does over $25,000 a month, so be sure that you stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Bashar Ketu here, Amazon FBA seller from beautiful San Diego. So as you heard in the beginning in the introduction, that I'll be showing you a method that found me a product that will make me $25,000 or even more than that a month. This method is probably one of the most traditional methods. You've probably seen it, in other places, but the problem is a lot of beginner Amazon sellers, or a lot of Amazon sellers in particular, or in general, don't even use it, to be honest with you. I think they feel as, because too many people know about it, because it's so simple, maybe, I'm not going to use it because everybody's on it. But sometimes, too simple is good, right? And it's all about, just trying new methods, different methods, really, to finding products. So honestly, this literally took me like 5 minutes, right? I was on Amazon, I was looking for something, and then just kind of happened. Like I wasn't even planning for it. I wasn't even doing product research, as many of you guys know that I have already. That I started a new account back in July. I've already launched 2 products. One of them is out. I have one that's selling about 12, 15 units a day. So I'm selling about 15 units a day now. I got 2 more that are into Amazon warehouse. I'm just working on getting some reviews so I can start promoting them and selling them. But with this account, I'm hoping to get to about 50,000 a month because I've done it once before. Within about 6 months. So by January, February, I'm hoping to get to the $50,000, point, right? So anyhow, once again, I wasn't looking for a product. This just kind of happened out of the blue. But let me show you. Once again, it's really simple. Honestly, this video is probably not going to be more than 5 minutes. Just stick around until the end. I also do a question of the day at the end of my video, so be sure you guys stick around, okay? So all you have to do is just go to Amazon.com. You don't have to be logged in. You don't have to do anything. I mean, for anything really, you don't really need any special tools. You probably need a Chrome extension just to kind of look over the numbers, but you don't need any special accounts, any special tools. Excuse me, you don't need anything really to do this, right? All I did was I went to Amazon and I just pretty much, tried typing something in. So literally, and I'm pretty sure I've probably covered this method in one of my previous videos, and you guys have probably seen it before, but literally all you gotta do. So with Amazon's algorithm, it'll suggest to you as you're typing out, it'll suggest to you the next word or the next letter or the next whatever, the next phrase due to the search, right? So the highest searched for terms, words, even letters will start popping up as you are typing in. So literally, if you just type in R, it'll start typing out a whole letter for you, or a whole word or a whole phrase. Now, don't worry about this. This is something that I've downloaded. It's an app that I've downloaded. But just look at these. Like all I did is I typed R. So if you type RE, it'll it'll suggest some things. If you type RA, it'll suggest all so razor for women. This is very highly searched for. So if let's say you click on that, once again, I'm not logged in anywhere. I'm not using any special tools. I'm just on Amazon.com. I'm pretty sure this is a very highly, purchased product. If we run our Jungle Scouts Chrome extension, hopefully that it doesn't embarrass me and actually work a little bit faster than it has been the past couple of days, you'll probably notice that this product is probably bought a lot, or actually not a whole lot. So 3,000, 4,000, 10,000. Okay, I mean, that's not too bad, right? It's not too bad. But I mean, that's not what we're looking for, right? So if you just go back here and actually try to, let's see here. So if we just exit out of this, and then if you just go back here and let's say, okay, so let's just delete everything. And once again, so let's say, I don't know, just anything. A. So just type in AA batteries, AE, AeroPress, let's say S, SD card. Okay, cool. C, and it'll just start typing out whole, words or whole letters or whatever. And once again, the reason why, the iPhone XS Max case is above all the other ones is because it is, it is searched for the most on Amazon, and that's how Amazon will suggest to you. So here's what I was doing. For whatever reason, I typed E. All I did was I typed E, right? And then, I don't know, I think there was like an advertising here somewhere, something like that. So I just decided to type G. So I just typed EG. And then I saw and it said egg cooker. And I was like, egg cooker. That's interesting. Okay, let me click on that. You know what I mean? So I clicked on that and I was like, okay, I have one of those at home. I don't know what the hell. I mean, I really don't even use it. And as I was coming down, I started seeing these things. And that's why I've always said, when you are looking at any product, look at the sponsored products that show up under that search result, because a lot of times people will rank their products for different keywords that are within the same category, within the same niche or whatever, you know. So this is essentially an egg cooker, just a different type of egg cooker. And I just started looking like, what? You know, and then I went down and started seeing it again, like, what the hell is this, you know? And as you can see, it's not actually coming up under egg cooker, just coming up as sponsored product. So people are actually paying for this product to show up here. So as I started looking here, and like a lot of people have like no reviews, negative reviews, you know, like it's a low review product, which is awesome, right? Low review product, you know, decently cheap. I mean, we're talking $13, $14. You know, we're not talking about a whole lot of, you know, it's not expensive or anything. So it's right around our alley, right? So I was like, okay, cool. Let me click on this product. Let me see what's going on. I just probably, you know, make this guy spend whatever. So I'm looking and it says non-stick silicone egg cooker. Okay, so what I did was I decided that this product, I can probably search it using the broadest keyword, which is, you know, silicone egg cooker. So all I did was I added another word in front of egg cooker, and then make sure that you are under all categories, right? And bam, search for the product, and let's see what happens. So all of a sudden, I start getting all these products that I've never seen before. I've never seen this product before on Amazon, and the only way I found it, I had no special tools, no special nothing. All I did was I typed 2 letters, I found a product, I went on it, and bam, this was being advertised under the other product, right? So I'm like, okay, and I'm looking, and you know, 28, 60, and a lot of these guys have bad reviews. So that's also another thing they need to look for, is products that have bad reviews they can probably improve on, right? So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me run my Jungle Scouts and let me see what what it's gonna look like. Let me see what it's gonna look like, right? So I started going, blah blah blah, you know, sponsored ads, this and that. As you guys know, all the time when I do product research, what I do is I take out the sponsored ads, right? So I take out the sponsored ads, take out this, take out that, and bam. So when you're looking at this opportunity, it says high demand. Although it says high competition, but it says high demand. Looking at the price, $13, $14, not too bad, right? So you're looking at the sales per month, and we see here, okay, you got 2,700, 200, you know, 500, 1,000, 27, 600, 500, 800, 700. And these guys are all the way at the bottom, and even I think this is probably like second page, but look at them, okay? If you look at the price is $22,000, okay, 5,000, 12,000, 16, 35, 8,000, 9,000, 5,000. This is at the bottom of page 1 or even at the second page. And these guys are still doing $10, $15, $20,000 on a product that it's probably, you know, it's going to cost you nearly nothing to manufacture in China. It's just plastic. I'm not exactly sure how the product really works, but you just need to do some research. But look at this. 3 stars, 3 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, no stars, 3.5. This is, you know, bestseller, but this is a little bit different. 4 stars. Okay, this is 1 star. So this is an awesome product that is very cheap to make. It makes you very good money. You were able to find it like that, right? And also, okay, it's cheap to sell, so people that will see it will buy it like that. And most of your sellers on page 1 have low reviews and bad reviews. So all you got to do is just go through those lists, through those listings, and see why are people giving these products bad reviews. Is it just a bad product altogether, or do these sellers just not know how to sell it, how to market it, or they're just doing a very bad job at it? And if you ever look at it, they all look the same. They all look the same, you know what I mean? So all you have to do literally is just identify what the problem is, and then just kind of go from there and see what you can improve on. You know, how can you make this, you know, actually better? And how can you actually make this a better product? You know what I mean? So that's literally all you got to do, essentially, you know? So once again, guys, it took me literally about 5 minutes to find this product. And I wasn't even looking for this product. All I did is I typed 2 letters, okay? A product came up. As I was looking at this product that really isn't this product, other products came up under sponsored, and bam, sponsored. I clicked on it. I went over to the listing, okay? I was like, okay, cool. So maybe this is, silicone head cooker. So I just added one word under or before what I was looking for, and then make sure that you are under all departments, because you want to see, let's see here. You want to see the most sales, right? And then what you want to do is you want to go under all departments. I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference, but I always like to be under all departments. It's not doing it for me. I think my computer is just running slow, that's all. And then you just run your, what's it called? You run your Jungle Scouts, and bam, you found a product that has the potential of making you about $20,000 to $25,000 a month. Once again, for all the skeptics and everybody that's saying Amazon FBA private labeling is dead, you're crazy. I just found a product that has the potential of making over 20 grand a month within literally 5 minutes. Guys, Bashar Ketu here, Amazon FBA seller from beautiful San Diego. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. The question of the day is, how many products are you currently selling? And also, how long has it taken you to find products? Has it taken you a week? Has it taken a month? Has it taken you 5 days? Has it taken you 5 minutes? All you gotta do is just comment your answers in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video and want to see videos like this again, let me know in the comment section below. Like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and let me know what other topics you guys want me to cover next. The Shark Head 2 here, Amazon FBA seller from beautiful San Diego. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great day and take care.